Hello guys, you are welcome to Custom Family once again. I want to say a big thank you for stopping by, and I want to say very big thanks to those that are continually all the time watching my video. I want to say God bless you. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you have done it right. Okay, just give the video thumbs up, and if any value is given to you here, please subscribe, and don't forget to share the video, comment, and you are free to make any requests of any tutorial you want, and then we'll be there to provide it. Thanks you. Now let us move. Okay, I'll be putting up a tutorial on the high neck collar, call it altar collar, and I will be putting the Queen Anne neck design there. Okay, let's get to the business. Okay, I've drawn the basic bodies. Of course, we need the basic bodies, the bust line, the on the bust, the waist, and the seam allowance line, and of course normal shoulder. Okay, I've drafted all of them here. The shoulder is 16 divided by 2, and I added half of the seam allowance. Okay, and then the armhole line, I made it 9, and then I came down by 1 inch for the slant. Okay, then the bust line, the bust line, the on the bust, the waist, and then that's it. Now look at it, my cloth is on fold, and of course I've always said each time you are folding your cloth, let the fold be on the highest measurement for what you are cutting. So this is the back panel for the zipper allowance there, 1.5 fold, and then this is the front panel. The front panel is I made it 4.5 longer than the back panel, because that is where the collar will be coming from, the eye collar will be coming from. So it's 4.5 inches. So what are we going to do now? So since this one is 4.5, I'm going to measure this. So it's going to be 4.5. Okay, 4.5 wide and 4.5 the width of it. So 4.5, or you can make your own 4. Okay, maybe I leave it as 4 so that it's not too wide, it's not too just bogus. 4.5. Okay, so I'll be making this one 4, sorry, this 4 inches. Make this one also 4 inches. So I will be trimming it. Okay, so if that one is okay, then for the, this is the back panel now, so I'll be measure just about 3 inches. Then the depth of it, just 1 inch depth. Okay, then you cuff it. I will be cutting that one first. Okay, so I will cut the back first. But 1 inch is, that is okay. Okay, so I cut this. I'll be cutting the 2 of them together. So all the basic, and here's the dart. The dart I use 1 inch both side, so I will notch it. It's going to be just a straight normal dart. Okay, and then this is so there. Here comes the high collar neck now. So I will be marking 1 inch inward, 1 inch inward. Mark it down to this place. Okay, I connect it. Okay, then the design of the neck I'm going to use, okay, because I want us to see very well. Okay, so I will have to remove the back panel now because I will be working on the front panel. Okay, so it depends on where you want your, this is our neckline now. Okay, so where you want your, how deep you want your neckline to be and the kind of design you want. So I'll be using 8 inches. Let me make it 7.5. I wouldn't want it to be too low. 7.5. So half of 7.5 will be 3.5. That is 3.75. Okay. So just make a line there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to input my neck design that I want. The neck design I want, and how wide, of course, we have created 4. The wideness of it is 4. Okay, whichever way you want the wideness of it to be will depend on you. As for me, I just want the wideness of this to be about 7 by the time it's sewn. So I'll be inputting 3 here and then 3 here. Okay, so my design now, I'm coming with the queen Anne. So I come this way, and then this way. Okay, do we see it? So come this way. By the time you cut it out, you are going to see. So by the time I open it, this is going to be the wideness. So by the time you turn it or you line it, it's going to come out beautifully. To cut it now, I cut it from here, trace it down. If you want yours to be wider than this, you can increase the size, but I'm okay with this one. So it's going to be like this. You can see how it's coming out. Okay, so by the time you line it, and then it should going to be wider, of course. So as I cut it, if it's not okay for me, I can still increase the wideness. I think by the time you sew this one with the turning and everything, it should be giving you about 8. So I think 8 is okay. So then we are going to do this. We join it like this. This is where the collar, the high collar thing came from. Can you see by the time it's joined this way? So I will see you in my